a sugar crush. I ain't gonna fucking cash. Maybe I should take a bath. Come on, fucking brain to have. I'm not only just a bit tired of this fucking shit. Nothing that I write can make me feel good.
You were with your friends partying when the alcohol kicked in. Said you wanted me dead, so you show up at my home all alone with a shovel and a rose. Do you think I'm a joke? 'Cause people like you always want back what they can't have, but I'm past that, and you know that, so you should turn back to your right back, tell them I'm trash. Tell all of your friends that I'm crazy and drive you mad, that I'm such a stalker, a watcher, a
One second, I'm gonna scare the crap out of Tubbo. Sorry, Tubbo, it was kind of funny to me, though. Bye-bye.
I got a smoothie. That girl's hair just got ripped out. What a day to be alive. You can tell I'm being serious because I'm holding a duck. His name is Benson. Be nice to him. Offline chat. Be nice to Benson. Yo, that's my favorite Uckers boy. Oh, that's my second favorite Uckers boy.
Am I your favorite?
That's my third favorite Uckers boy. Well,
Before I do that.
Build one first.
Yeah, so that's why I'm waiting.
Don't get sassy with me.
I'm just supplying the same energy back to you.
I'm going to skin you and sell your organs.
Okay, I'm not gonna do that actually. Okay, well.
Damn right.
Kissing and oh my god! Oh fuck my eyes! Oh my god! Oh my god! Fuck you! Fuck you! Oh, let me burn this place to the fucking. Oh my god! What? I am burning this place to the fucking ground. I'm burning.
Save me! He won't stop talking about how Snowchester is sus.
When Snowchester is sauce.
Oh my god.
Oh. Hello, you two.
Hello.
Hey,
sorry.
Why do you play TNT in our house?
I'm pretty. Were you two just making out over there?
Oh, I'm actually taunting him.
He was.
Okay, good.
Just mentally,
Because from my angle, it looked as though you were making out.
Oh, that happens occasionally. It can seem that.
What I'm here to do. I'm not here for you. I know my sister like I know my own mind. You will never find anyone as trusting or as kind. And a million years ago she said to me, this one's mine. So I stood by. Do you know why? I love my sister more than anything in this life. I will choose her happiness over mine every time. Eliza is the best thing in our lives. So never lose sight of the fact that you have been blessed with the best wife. Congratulations. For the rest of your life, every sacrifice you make is for my sister. Give her the best life. Congratulations.
Execute Rambo. I had no good feelings.
This is just gonna be history repeating itself. He decorated the festival. He will be murdered in his own decorations. Does that not sound familiar? Does that maybe sound like a little bit like maybe that's happened before? Can you? I don't know if it's just me that remembers that. Do you realize that maybe has happened under someone else's administration, someone who we swore to never be like? Do you maybe you know the fact that why don't we blow him up with a rocket launcher? Maybe that would get the cogs moving in your head a little bit. If you execute Rambo, Big Q, that would be treason.
It looks like I'm best and you're the worst.
Here is how fire how your physical
It looks like I'm best and you're the worst.
Here is how fire how your physical
I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I like this hoodie. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I like this hoodie.
I believe I believe I believe I believe
Emergency broadcast system. This message is being broadcast by the request of Sam. This is an important message. Do not turn off your device. At 8:37 a.m. the prisoner known as Dream escaped the prison Pandora's vault. This fugitive is known to be very manipulative and reacts violently towards any signs of a loss of control.
I don't give a fuck.
Lock your doors, stay away from the view of windows, and do not go outside.
I'm toying with you.
He has seemingly lost a grasp of reality to some degree, most likely as a direct effect of imprisonment.
No.
We urge you to stay inside for the moment. If you are on your way to a shelter and you see the prisoner,
Say your goodbyes.
do not engage.
You're gonna die, because I'm not playing around now.